Yes, I think it's very important. I'm very biased because I work exactly on these two topics. So I work both on migration, family economics and the combinations of the two. So I do think it's crucial to understand many topics or many current challenges that we see nowadays. There are many societal challenges, so I think it's actually difficult to choose among them. So for migrations, assimilations is a big topic in many countries. Backlash that we often see is another important topic. How the local populations react to the arrival of migrants. So this is just the beginning, and so we all hope that is the beginning of a new research agenda, in addition to what has been written already. I think it's very useful for a variety of reasons. The common theme is migrations, but we look at different aspects of migrations, of family economics. Some people work more on the labor side, some people like me more on the political economy side. So these events really gives the opportunity to have different scholars in the same room and seeing all the different aspects together, and I think this is very important for policy implication.